Do you see the way shippers use LTL in their supply chains changing, or is it evolving since the recession?
You know, it's evolving, but not as much as one would think. And I kind of mentioned it on the panel today. You know, you talk about optimization, and you talk about all the technology, and you talk about 3PLs, and you talk about information overload, and you talk about all these things, but there still is a basic need, you know, to pick the freight up on time, deliver on time, don't bust it, and then make sure that your network and offering is adapting to what customers' needs are. You know, there's still a need for long-haul transportation in our industry, and there's definitely a need for regional transportation, and obviously we're lucky to have 3 great regional companies, and then the long-haul company of YRC Freight that's evolved out of Yellow and Roadway that's making gains. So, you know, we think we're really well suited to meet you know, what customers are looking for. I mean, we're not to the point where we can beam frame freight up, Scotty. I mean, it's not Star Trek stuff. You still got to physically pick the freight up and move it and deliver it, and hopefully on time and not without damage. And so sometimes I think maybe we all get a little carried away with just all the technology that's out there. But as we were talking when we were coming into this room, you know, somebody still has to do the physical work, and we think that's what we're good at.